What's going on, guys? In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best drone for cinematography. I have made this list based on video capture resolution, cover included, price, and more. I have included options for every type of consumer. Check the links in the description if you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. Parrot ANIFY. The Parrot ANIFY is a little drone with a 4 km range that's perfect for anyone who wants to capture amazing aerial footage without running out of battery life because it can fly for up to 25 minutes. These characteristics combine to make it the best drone for aerial cinematography. This quadcopter is an excellent alternative for anyone looking for a simple-to-fly quadcopter with a long range. This drone fits conveniently into a compact bag and has a flying time of up to 25 minutes, enough time to record outstanding aerial films and photographs. The ANIFY drone's 2.4 20-megapixel CMOS sensor allows it to capture spectacular 4K HDR films with maximum quality of 3840 by 2160 pixels, which are subsequently recorded at 60 frames per second (FPS) or 30 frames per second (FPS) in full HD 1080p. Number 2. DJI Inspire 2. The DJI Inspire 2 is the ultimate workhorse for skilled commercial drone pilots. The Inspire 2 is sealed with the power you'll need to get the job done, whether you're using drones for filmmaking or other commercial uses. So, get your hands on this cutting-edge device, as it is the best drone for filmmaking cinematography. The DJI Inspire 2 comes equipped with a 5K RAW camera, obstacle avoidance, many layers of redundancy in the flight controller and batteries, and the ability to capture up to 5.2K video in CinemaDNG RAW utilizing the Apple ProRes codec. The DJI Inspire 2 is the ideal drone for cinematic shots since it has professional-grade features at an affordable price. The versatile and stunning drone is so fun and easy to fly. A second pilot's camera, also known as an FPV camera, has been installed in the aircraft's nose to ensure that the pilot always has a forward view of the aircraft's travel path. Number 3. Robotic CVO 2 Pro's 6K drone. The Robotic CVO 2 Pro's 6K drone is easy to fly, has outstanding handling, and is stable. It includes sensors to avoid obstacles and flies well in winds. This drone is one of the best I've ever flown, and shoots fantastic photos and videos. Before this drone, my life had never been so simple and enjoyable. The flying performance of the Robotic CVO 2 Pro's 6K drone has been wholly enhanced thanks to its new power system and sturdy structural construction. The unit, which has an industry-leading dual-frequency picture transmission system, delivers more vital anti-interference capabilities and steady transmission of high-definition images up to 1080p. This drone offers the most spectacular and high-resolution images thanks to its 20MP1 CMOS sensor, 3x optical 16x digital zoom capability, and adjustable aperture range of f2.8 to f11. Number 4. DJI Mavic 2 Pro. The drone is powerful since it has a longer flight time, a long range, and a top speed of 45 miles per hour, allowing you to get to more areas in less time. The DJI Mavic 2 Pro is the best drone for wedding cinematography, since it is the best for aerial photography and cinematography. It has a range of 18 kilometers and a flight time of 31 minutes. Fantastic photographs and films may be taken with the 2.3 CMOS camera, with an effective pixel count of 12 million. This drone weighs 907 g and has a battery capacity of 3,850 mAh, making it the best drone for wedding shoots. This drone is ideal for cinematography because it has an 18-kilometer video transmission range. It can monitor a vast region and is highly dependable for professional use. The drone is equipped with 4 separate sensors that give exceptional stability when in use, ensuring that there are no crashes or damage throughout the flight. Number 5. DJI Mavic 3. The DJI Mavic 3 can fly to a predetermined altitude and then discover a safe and efficient route down to its starting position, combining the benefits of advanced RTH and standard RTH and allowing users to select the best choice for their surroundings. The Hasselblad natural color solution is the result of decades of photography expertise. It produces beautiful, natural colors with the simple touch of a shutter button on the DJI Mavic 3. Its higher dynamic range allows for more seamless transitions between highlights and shadows, preserving rich visual information and giving the image more depth. Use the telecamera to zoom in, save time, or record from a distance without disturbing the subject when scenes or subjects are far away. The Mavic 3's telecamera offers manual parameter tweaks and raw images in Pro mode. Check the links in the description if you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned. I will try to keep it updated for the best prices. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and it helped you out, please give the video a like and hit the subscribe button. I hope to see you guys in the following video. Till next time, I will see you later.